Well, this is not the typical one-day video I make, but it's just a vlog of sorts, a lazy attempt. I would like to welcome all the new subscribers of the channel, and now back to our vlog.
That's me entering Udaipur, and this is my first time in Udaipur. Unfortunately, I've not come here to travel, but it's for a work. I'm shooting something for Raft Motors. It's an electric scooter company which I am sure you have seen few videos on my channel. So, chalo kaam ke bahane se hi I got some time to come to Udaipur. I'm just here for a day.
That's the Raft showroom, and I'm here to shoot a video for Raft, as I said earlier. My task here is to take the electric scooter, this one, Warrior, and another one, I think this is Jispa. So take these two scooters and go up to Sajjangarh Fort, which they are kind of telling me that it's a little hard to do. So let's see if we can go above the fort. It's actually a very, it has a lot of hairpins and things like that. So that's my task for the day. I just have to take the scooter onto the top. So let's see if I can do it. To put it in proper words, I had to make a video of me taking the electric scooter to the top of Sajjangarh Palace or Fort, well, to the parking actually, which is at a height of more than 3,000 feet. And that's us shooting the video. So this is the Sajjangarh Fort cum Palace, I guess. Monsoon Palace is also called Monsoon Palace. And now we have started to climb the hill. Right now it's mostly flat, but soon the interesting twists and turns will arise and arrive. Let the vehicle pass. I've reached the parking for Sajjangarh Fort cum Monsoon Palace, and this is a scooter over here which I rode. So task for the day is finished. I have successfully completed it, and now I probably leave Udaipur and go back to Mumbai. Udaipur looks so beautiful. I mean, I don't think GoPro can do justice to what I'm seeing right now, but there's a lot to be seen in Udaipur, and I'll surely return back. Sajjangarh was purely amazing. It's very picturesque and you can click a lot of photos here. The best part is that you get a bird's eye view of the city of Udaipur. You can also see the whole of Fatehsagar Lake from here, which was our next destination. With blue water, clear skies and white fencing, Fatehsagar Lake gives you the vibe of Italy and Greece. I literally thought of jumping into the water because the lake looked so beautiful and also because it was hot outside. But that's not how adults work. We have a layered thought process before taking any action, obviously not when you're drunk. In a fraction of a second, I had 100 thoughts like clothes getting wet, me drowning in the lake, not being able to come out, police arresting me, being viral on reels, etc. etc. And so I didn't jump. Instead, we headed to the number of stalls lined along the lake to eat something, and then we had to head back to go to the bus stop and catch a bus to come back to Mumbai. That's me thinking, why do we feel sad when we go back home from a trip? Is it because we don't like our homes or the people we are living with? Is it because we don't like our daily routine once we are home? Or is it because we are inherently a traveler or a nomad but confine ourselves inside a concrete block? One thing is for sure, traveling is in a way escaping reality. The bus was too shaky.